Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm here with Rebecca Blanc.
Thank you for having me.
Always love having you on, and we are so excited to share your new listing. So this one is over in Escondido. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot home, and looks like it has so much to offer just from the first photo with the attached garage, beautiful yard. Tell us about this property and why someone should go out to see it.
Well, first of all, it's a great location in Escondido. If you have children, they could walk to a couple of the schools there, Orange Glen and the Quantum Academy there. You could walk to all the stores, all the restaurants. It's just in a fantastic location. You see it's got a really good sized backyard and front yard, covered patio. It has a great layout, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a fantastic starter home. It would be a great rental for someone as an investment property. I really think this meets the needs of a lot of people. See that? That's more of the yard. It's a good size yard. And you can see right across the street from the school. So it's a fantastic street. I've been meeting the neighbors at an open house, and everybody seems to be friends there. Everybody seems to be nice there. So just a really high walkability area. That's a butcher block countertop that they put in, and you're looking back into your private backyard. So I like it. Lots of cupboards, good layout. This is like an eat-in kitchen area where you would have your dining room. They've actually put a little desk off on the side. Down the hallway, the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and back there you go into the garage. To the right, it's open into the living room. See how it is? There you go. So if you'd walk in from the left and you have that living room, you just have this dividing wall, which probably could even be taken out if somebody wanted to blow it out and make it even more open. But I like the way that they've done it. They've got the separate living room. The kids work over there in the desk. And then here they have like their own kind of little desk area, dining room, everything. They're a musical family, which is super nice. I love that. And I love the way they've put the plants everywhere. But you see all the windows. It is very nice and light and bright. I think it's a very welcoming home. This is the primary bedroom. It's really good size because that's a really big bed looking out into the backyard. Has a huge closet. This is the primary bathroom. Shower, step-in shower and everything. Right, their kids' rooms. They asked me if they should take those down, but I said, no, I like it. It's already ready for a family. We can just peel them off the wall if somebody doesn't like it. But there are the 2 bedrooms. They've got it set up for a boys' and a girls' bedroom, of course. This is the one looking out towards the front. They have a really green thumb. That's why you see all the plants and flowers everywhere that they've done. But I like the way it is sitting on the property, where it gives you a front yard and a backyard, tons of parking, and lots of parking on this street as well. I think it's just the perfect little house. And for $725 in Escondido, I think that's hard to find. Escondido, great school district, great restaurants, super area, and not too far from the 15.
Yes, it seems like it's such a centrally located location, being close to schools, close to shopping, and like you said, like really lovely neighbors. So who doesn't want to move into a home that has a really good community feel? Now, if someone is watching this and they want to take a look at this in person, you mentioned you've done some open houses. Are there going to be any upcoming? What's the schedule like, and how can they get in touch?
Yeah, this Saturday I'm going to do an open house from 2 to 4 p.m. And we do have it on showing time, so we can set up private showings as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Rebecca, for coming on. And if you're watching this and you're looking for a home in Escondido, be sure to check out the open house this weekend or give Rebecca a call and she will set up that private showing. Thank you so much.